Hi, I just built this. It's a personal travel agent app. I literally just type in a city like Kolkata and my budget. Instantly, it finds me 3 hotels that actually fit that price, lists the top rated restaurants nearby, and generates a full 2-day working itinerary. All I did was just ask for it. This is Google Opal. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something pretty interesting, and that is Google Opal. I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and why it might actually change the way how you think to build small apps or workflows. Right now, Opal lives inside Google Labs, and honestly, it feels like a tool that finally bridges the gap between having an idea and actually building something. If you have ever wanted to create your own tools but got stuck at the coding part, this is something we'll definitely want to see. But before that, if you enjoy this kind of interesting tech content, then do subscribe the channel. I've always got more cool things like this coming your way. Now let's dive in. So at first, let's see what exactly is Opal. We have all used ChatGPT or Gemini. You ask a question, you get text back. That's LLM, large language model. Opal is different. It's what's called an text to app generator or an agentic builder. When you type a prompt in Opal, it doesn't just write an essay, it writes logic, it creates button, it connects to Google search, it connects to maps, and it creates a user interface that you can actually click and use. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you who types at the speed of light. Next, we'll see how to access Opal, then we'll try to build something. So to access Opal, you can just search on Google, Opal Google, or you can also directly go to the website. So next we'll click on the second one, Opal Google for developers. Next we'll click on try Opal now. Let it open. Yeah, it's opened, and we'll click on sign in. Obviously you need to sign in with your Google account to access it. Okay, and like once you sign in, it will ask for certain permissions and you have to allow all to access Opal. So I've already done it, so I'm closing the window. Let me take you to the other tab where I've already signed in with my Google account, and this is how the portal looks. So to start building, you have to click on create new. So this is how the portal looks, where you have to describe whatever you want to build in simple English language. Let's say I'm a content creator and I need to research tech news. I want an app that does that for me. So I've given the prompt, create an app that asks me for a tech topic, then search the web for the top 3 news articles from last 1 week about the topic, summarize them into bullet points and display them. And the same I typed in plain English, no Python, no JavaScript, and I hit enter. And the execution has started, and it normally takes time to build this, so I'll just fast forward the video a little bit just to save your time. And it's completed. But before testing, I just want to let you know that Opal is still in its early phase and there are definitely some limitations right now. We'll have to wait and see what new features roll out in the coming days, but for now it's a fascinating start and I'm really curious to see how it evolves. Let me click on start, and just for testing I'll give Samsung Galaxy S26 rumors. So as it starts running, this step will take a bit of time. We'll see in the workflow that it moves from the first step to the next step and then on through the following steps. Basically we'll just watch it progress step by step. So I'll just fast forward the video a little bit, and now it's in the final step and it's completed. See, it went to the web, found the articles, read them and summarized them automatically. So you can see I managed to build this little research tool in just about 5 to 10 minutes. Something that would have taken me a whole weekend to put together from scratch a couple of years ago. You can also switch the view between the app and the editor whenever you need. The console tab in Google's Opal AI app is a crucial debugging and transparency tool that provides a real-time log of the app's execution process. You will find a theme tool as well in the sidebar. This lets you customize how your app looks, generate themes using simple text prompts, and easily switch between themes you've already created or saved. I've just created another theme and it will take some time to complete. Once it's done, we'll refresh and check if it's showing up correctly. And it's done. Let's refresh now, and you can see the new theme is showing up perfectly. You can also share this app with anyone you want. Let me show you that as well. So once you click on the share icon, it will ask you to publish it. And in next few seconds, it will give you a link. You just need to copy that link and you can share with anyone you want. Let me copy the link. Then I'll open another browser where I've logged in using another ID. Here you go, let me paste it and let's see what happens. It's loading. Obviously it will take some time, and let's wait for a few seconds and see, it's working perfectly. So in this way you can share the app with anyone as long as they have an Opal account. Usually in coding, if you want to modify something or change the output, you have to rewrite the code or modify it accordingly. But in case of Opal, you just need to ask, what's this? So I'll give the prompt, make the summary shorter and add a email this to me button. So as usual, it will take some time and we have to wait, and after that we can test again. So it's done. We'll go ahead and try the same thing once more, and this time we'll see how it differs from the last attempt. Let me click on start and we'll give the same input, Samsung Galaxy S26 rumors, and we'll just need to wait until it finishes executing, and then we can see how it differs. And see, it's done. The app updates in real time. You will notice the summary points are much shorter now, and there's an email this to me button as well. So this is how it works. Isn't it cool? Let me know in the comment section what you think. So is this going to replace software engineers? No, not for creating complex applications or banking infrastructures, but for 90% of us who want to create a tool that can automate their daily boring tasks, or anyone who want to create a quick prototype. So for them, this is absolute magic. So that's it. Please do try this out and let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe the channel so that you get notifications when I bring such videos for you. We'll meet again very soon. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.